once again enjoy your theater and later we're gonna dance, okay? So karon murag mag-mellow sa mi, ma'am. Yes, ma'am? Oh.
Later.
So if you want to sing with us, to jam with us, just let us
Ikaw man inyong kaon, mujam mo na mo.
Oh, full na, okay?
Yan, si ma'am,
ay,
mujam
sa
siya.
Ay, sa
Tingin
kayo
siya,
pakabusog ha, kay aron ay, pundog yun.
Pero later ha, kay papahuwayo sa pakanaw sabi yun.
Bitaw.
Later.
Mga on niya, kamo na sa kanta.
Naman si Queen Gwen. Ito ang host.
Si Miss Jaya.
Yes.
The beautiful Jaya.
With curl.
May mukhang taon niya. Sample.
So you guys are gonna do I hope you have another song right here. Before we're gonna take our short break. It's gonna be an open now.
Is this love? Feeling
Thank you, sir.
restless inside. Wanting you to always be by my side. I don't even want you out of my sight. You are in my thoughts all day and night. I can't get you out of my mind. I think I'm in love. I think I'm in love. I think I'm in love with you. Every single day, every single night, every single moment of my life, I wanna spend it more with you. I think I'm in love. I think I'm in love. I think I'm in love with you. Tell me that you care, tell me please, tell me that you also feel the way that I do. Can't describe words I just met and now can't explain it all happened so fast. What exactly am I feeling right now? If this is love, I got to know somehow just how long this madness will last. 'Cause I think I'm in love. I think I'm in love. I think I'm in love with you. Every single day, every single night, every single moment of my life, I wanna spend it more with you. I think I'm in love. I think I'm in love. I think I'm in love with you. Tell me that you can, tell me please, tell me what you feel the way that I do. I think I'm in love. I think I'm in love.
Yes, guys, thank you so much.
Thank you, Leslie. Thank you so much.
Are we gonna change the beat? It's gonna be remade.
So I need to choose the way. So I wanna walk away. Now, I see the journey now. Bring the show in town. Looking like a pair of pounds. Remember hoping you tonight. So, I would do for good. Remember hoping you tonight. You got me going like this.
want you back.
Instead of jealousy, you gotta say no me. Show me what the money is. Yeah, please think this through. What I've been told is true. You be pulling back like you. Remember all the things you and I did touch. And I couldn't live with her. Remember all the things you and I did touch. Rock like this. And now you're taking her to every restaurant. And never will run, come on. And now you're taking her to every restaurant. You got me like this. Anything you wanna, I'll give it. No one else can have you. Want you back, want you back, want you back. I'll give it up to you, you think right. Nothing less, looking at you cry. Want you back, want you back, want you back.
Yes, alright guys, thank you so much. And that was Enrique. So alright guys, we're gonna take a short break, but we will be right back to gonna give you to our host. Yeah, me is the beautiful